Before buying a camera for sports photography, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. The real buyers are definitely talking about how the autofocus and burst shooting capabilities can make or break your shots in those split-second moments. Product number 1, Sanine Digital Camera. Let's kick things off with the Sanine Digital Camera. Priced at $119.99, this camera caught my eye with its budget-friendly features and solid reviews, holding a 4-star rating from nearly 1,900 users. If you want a reliable starter camera for capturing sports action, this is worth a serious look. The autofocus technology is based on contrast detection, which means it might not be the fastest in its class, but still does a decent job at keeping up with action. The 4-inch touchscreen makes navigating settings easy, and the built-in Wi-Fi allows you to share your photos on social media almost instantly, which is perfect when you want to post that incredible shot right after the game. Now, some people complained about the autofocus being a bit sluggish in low-light situations. Here's the thing though, if you're shooting in bright daylight during a game, you shouldn't have a problem. But if you're planning to shoot nighttime events often, you might want to consider a different option. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out in sports photography and want something budget-friendly. Skip this one if you need ultra-fast autofocus and shooting speeds. For the price, it offers solid value for what it delivers. Now, if the Sanine's autofocus concerns bothered you, the next camera might take a completely different approach. Product number 2, Teclam 8K Digital Camera. Next up is the Teclam 8K Digital Camera, priced at $129.99. With a 4.6-star rating from 166 reviews, this camera offers an impressive 88MP resolution and 8K video, which genuinely surprised me. If you want stunning clarity for your sports shots, this one is definitely worth considering. The dual-lens setup allows for versatile shooting angles, and the 16x digital zoom means you can capture distant players without sacrificing image quality. Plus, the built-in Wi-Fi lets you transfer images quickly, so you don't miss a moment sharing that epic shot. Now, a few users mentioned that the battery life could be better, especially when using the high-resolution settings. Here's my take: for most sports events, you'll likely have a backup battery handy, so it shouldn't be a deal-breaker if you plan accordingly. This is perfect for you if you're looking for high-quality images and video without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're someone who shoots continuously without the chance to recharge. For under $130, it's hard to beat what this camera delivers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more professional touch. Product number 3, Toberto 8K Digital Camera. The third camera on our list is the Toberto 8K Digital Camera, also priced at $129.99. With a 4.5-star rating from 164 users, this camera is another strong contender in the sports photography world. If you want something that combines ease of use with stunning quality, keep listening. This camera captures 88MP photos and records in 8K just like the Teclam, but it has a built-in anti-shake feature that really helps when you're on the move, making it easier to get those clear shots during fast-paced events. The 16x zoom allows you to get up close without losing detail, and the touchscreen control makes framing your shots a breeze. Some reviews pointed out that the camera can struggle in low light, which could be an issue during evening games. But here's the thing, if you're primarily shooting during the day or in well-lit environments, this shouldn't affect your experience much at all. This is perfect for you if you want a user-friendly camera that still packs a punch in image quality. Skip this if you're focused on low-light performance. Given the features, it's a solid bang for your buck. Now, if you're thinking you might want something more professional and versatile, let's talk about this next option. Product number 4, Canon EOS Rebel T7 Bundle. Next is the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera, bundled with 13 items including lenses and accessories, for $719.99. It holds a 4.6-star rating from 769 reviews and is often considered a great entry-level DSLR. If you want to take your sports photography to the next level, this is worth a serious look. This camera features a 24.1 MP sensor and a continuous shooting speed of 3 frames per second, which is decent for capturing action. The bundle offers a range of lenses, including a 75-300 telephoto lens, making it easier to shoot from a distance. The built-in Wi-Fi also allows for quick sharing of your images, so you can show off your work right away. However, some users felt the 3 frames per second burst rate was limiting for fast-paced sports. I'll be real with you, if you're shooting high-speed sports like soccer or basketball, you might find this a bit slow. But if you're capturing less frantic activities, this could be a great fit. This is perfect for you if you're serious about stepping up your photography game and want a comprehensive kit. Skip this if you need rapid-fire shooting for fast sports. The value you get with this bundle is pretty impressive for what you pay. Now, if that burst rate concerned you, let's look at a more dynamic option. Product number 5, Canon EOS Rebel T7 Basic Kit. Lastly, we have the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera, priced at $509.95. This option has a 4.7-star rating from 188 reviews and offers a more streamlined package compared to the bundle. If you want a solid DSLR without all the extras, this could be your go-to. It maintains that user-friendly interface, which is great for beginners who are transitioning into the DSLR scene. The built-in Wi-Fi makes sharing your photos easy, and you can utilize Canon's vast array of lenses for more versatility. Some users noted that the lack of a more extensive lens selection in this kit was a downside. Here's the thing though, you can always purchase additional lenses as you grow in your photography skills. It's not a deal-breaker since the camera itself is a great starter. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a straightforward, quality camera to develop your skills. Skip this if you need a comprehensive kit right out of the box. For just over $500, you're getting a quality camera to grow with. So to wrap it all up, we've covered the Canon digital camera for budget-conscious beginners, the Teclam and Toberto for those seeking high-resolution options, and the Canon EOS Rebel T7 bundle and basic kit for those wanting more professional gear. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so consider your shooting style and needs before making a choice. Happy shooting!